Our journey started with Aspect back in 2009 when we first had our first product from Aspect, which was the Unified IB 6.6 SP2. From that year, we started having our first product from Aspect, and then the next year we had the WFM 7.5 at that time. It was really a great experience and a product that has changed the way that our collection system or our collection department was working at that time. We before the Unified IB, we were handling all the calls and all the data manually, and you can imagine how much hustle and a lot of work and effort was done to just accomplish like a minimum or a minimum amount of data to be finished or completed in one day. But once we had the dialer, which handled all the calls in a predictive mode and recorded all these disposition and calls faster than the previous way. Well, we have around like 300 agents, and if you are thinking about doing all this scheduling and forecasting, and we have a large or like a number of campaigns and a different type of customers which we have to handle on a daily basis. Almost over 25 campaigns that we are handling on a daily basis. In the past, we used to do it manually, and you know, every day we estimate things, and we plan our scheduling and our campaigns based on our manual calculation. And yes, sometimes we have to intervene and adjust these to match the daily workout. But with the workforce management, we had to reduce the number of people who were managing these things. We had a system that actually took on account the past 2 years' data, which was really great in terms of forecasting, which almost came to an accurate forecasting and scheduling. Well, since all of you knows that this year's and I mean the coming 3 years, it's all about the customer experience, and we are and all the banks are focusing, and all the organizations are focusing and looking for a platform or a system that will integrate all the channels into one platform and integrate all this customer experience to create one single journey for all the customers. From ACE 2018, it was a good opportunity for us because we had to listen and share our requirements, concerns about how we will build our own systems or our own platform. Looking at all these people who started their journey, or they started transforming from their old systems to the new digital era, it was like a good lessons for us, and it gave us good insights and opened our eyes into new things that we have to consider.